Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Aya. In today's video, I will show you how to make a surprise light up card. A super fun twist on traditional shaker card. I first spotted this trend on cakes and I could not wait to try it out in card making. And instead of using clear acetate, we'll be working with the tissue, aka Kleenex, or magic paper to create this unique effect. The supplies I used to make the first card is the die-stitch hillside backdrop landscape by Lanfan and a various house die cuts. For the houses, I colored them using Copic markers and added yellow cardstock scraps behind the windows to give the illusion of the light. The background is a stunning galaxy painting created with Altenew gouache paints. How to put the card together? First, I trace the upper border and the hill to position the house perfectly. After adhering the houses with a liquid glue, to keep everything as flat as possible, I added a glitter powder and paste to give the hills, a snowy effect. For the sentiment, I used a stamp from an old MFT stamp set, stamping it with a VersaFine ink and embossing it with Hero Arts white embossing powder. So now to create the light up feature, I glued a thin layer of a tissue paper around the backdrop border. It's really important to use only one layer of tissue, and I will show you why later. To raise the backdrop, I used double layers of foam tape. This step is really crucial for preventing the tissue from burning completely and safely revealing the light effect. Finally, I wrote "Light Me Up." You can stamp it or die cut the letters. Then you can add a matchstick to the envelope, for fun. When the tissue lights up, it reveals the glowing and the house's background. Using two layers of tissues instead of one, it might burn slowly and fail to reveal the entire background, as you see in this clip. Not doubling or tripling the foam tape, this can cause the flame to touch the paper and create scorch mark, as you see in this clip. We learn as we go. As a bonus card, I made a simpler light up card. So I cut a small rectangle window and adhered one thin layer of tissue. The background features Nutcracker theme pattern paper and from scrapbook.com. And I die cut the Be Kind sentiment from Simon Says stamps. And voila, these light up cards are such a fun delight for surprise. Please share these cards with an adult only for safety. I hope you enjoyed this fun tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative ideas. Thanks for watching.